What's up guys, Louis here. I'm all about tools that help save me time. You know this, and I know this. So today we're talking about Loom. Loom is like one of the best kept secrets. I don't know why every single agent isn't using it. It blows my mind. What it is an in-screen video recorder that instantly creates a link for your video and you can send it off in a text, an email, or whatever you're doing. Now, how do we use this as realtors? I'll tell you how I use it. I started using it for showings, right? When COVID was going on and we couldn't take clients out and stuff like that, I would go up, record footage for them, bring it back to my house, play it on my computer and record me in the video talking and touring them through the thing. So instead of me just walking through like this, what I would have would be a video, and you can see it on the screen now, of me inside of the screen talking to them, talking about my thoughts on the property, what I think, pausing the video where I need to and be like, hey, look at the stairs here, this isn't going to work for you because XYZ, and it was awesome. So it's such a powerful tool for things like that. That's why I started using it. Now I use it for absolutely everything, and the reason I do this is because you can avoid countless meetings and countless hours of conversations that you don't need to have. So I'll do this when I write an offer for a client. I'll pull up it on screen and walk them through the offer in a video and text them it. And I'll be like, do you have any questions? No, you already answered for them. So instead of writing up an offer, send it to them, getting on the phone okay, let's go through it, line by line and talk through it like this. I don't have to do that because I'll just do it in a quick video, send them it and throw it over and they'll be good to go. Other things I do is CMAs, so if someone, wants to offer on a property, but they want me to break everything down, run comps, I'll pull it up on the screen, record the video and send them to it. Any question that someone asks me, I'll send them a video for it. Now, here's one of the beautiful parts about this. Obviously, all of those examples were for individual clients, right? But if you have questions that people keep asking you, what's an appraisal gap, what's the next step in the process, you can record a quick video for each of these things and just send them off. So say we take the buying process in a whole and you break down all the little things, okay, like when we do showings, when you write an offer, earnest money, inspection, appraisal, all that stuff. If you record a little quick 1 to 2 minute video about what that next step is going to look like and then just fire it off to them as soon as they get to that step, your customer service level goes through the roof because they haven't had to call you and ask these questions. You can be like, hey, we're through inspection, here's the next thing to look forward to, and they watch that video and it's you talking to them. You've already got that trust factor with them, so they notice you, and you're killing two birds with one stone. Guys, the amount of time I save with this app is unbelievable, and I use it for almost everything. I send things to my team, I send things to my clients, I send things to my wife. I use it for everything, guys, and it is so cool. Other things I use this for are onboarding videos for my virtual assistants, videos for my TC, anything that you can think of. Instead of having to pick up the phone, instead of having to go and meet someone, instead of having to explain the same thing over and over and over to different people, you can now use this product. And guys, it's so cheap. I would pay, I don't know, 5-10 times as much just to have it because of the amount of time it saves me, and I don't have to switch from doing focused work. I can just get up, do something, send it, and you're done. And that's the really cool thing about how instant it is. Once you've finished recording the video, it takes about, I don't know, 3 to 5 seconds for you to be able to click, get the link, and then you can send it to someone immediately. You don't have to wait for videos to upload to take ages. You just click on it, boom, and you're done. This really helped me when we were in this crazy market, when it was a multiple offer situation everywhere and the market was so hot. If I was doing virtual tours, typically a lot of agents would have to do the tour, come back, upload it to YouTube or upload it to Google Drive, which would take, 25 to 30 minutes and then send it off and then get it. With me, it was Loom, and I would get things recorded, sent off in probably 5 to 6 minutes total for the whole thing. So it was saving me so much time to get ahead of my competition. So guys, Loom is awesome. You might use it for more things than I've even thought of, so let me know what those are. Drop them in the comments, I'd love to hear. But there's a link below, you can check it out. I cannot recommend this highly enough as one of the most productive apps you will ever use, and you can use it on your phone, you can use it on your computer, your tablet, wherever, and send things off instantly. So check out Loom, guys. Let me know what you think. If you like this stuff, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.